Hello, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to create a coffee mug in an easy way. So let's get started. Press Shift A, select the cylinder, go to the settings of the cylinder and change the vertices to 22. Press Tab to go to edit mode, Ctrl R and create 8 cuts right here and hit enter. Press 3 to go to face mode and select this bottom face. Shift S and select cursor to select it. Tab to go back to object mode, right click on it, set origin to 3D cursor. Now let's press N and change the seed to 0. Go back to edit mode by pressing Tab and select the second face right here. Press 1 in your number pad and select the spin tool. Let's drag this one a little bit like that, doesn't matter. In seed center press 1 and X center press 1.05. Now select the angle and change it to 180. Let's reduce this to 1.1. Press 5 on your number pad, so you will have something like this. Select the box selection. With this face selected, press X, delete faces. Select this one right here, X, delete faces. Press 2 and select this edge and press F to connect. Do the same with the other ones. Shift F. Select this one, and this one, and this one. F. Select this face right here. Press I and reduce it like that. Press 1 on your number pad. See it. Wireframe. And hit E to extrude until this. E again. Extrude like that. And E. All the way to the middle, like this. Now press 1 to go to vertices and select all this bottom area right here. Press O or activate the proportional editing, and now press S, Shift C and reduce this one like that. With the mouse wheel you need to increase this one like that. See it? Solid. Now we just need to press Tab to go to object mode, right click, shades mode. Let's now go to modifier, subdivision surface 2. Go back to edit mode by pressing Tab. With the bottom selected, let's press I1, I2, I3 and do the same with this one right here. Press I, and I. Okay, and that's it. I hope you found this tutorial useful. Bye.